Welcome everyone to the first video in this first 3 video series, where we're going to get you set up with your website, everything that you need to know about the back end, front end, and basically get you ready to go live. Make sure to watch these 3 videos thoroughly, because you're only going to be watching these once, and you want to make sure you have the right knowledge and foundation to move forward into marketing. So we're going to get these 3 videos out of the way. The first one, or this one, is going to go over your Wix backend. The next one is we're going to talk about publishing, getting your site live, getting it ready for people to actually shop from. And the final video, we're going to talk about suppliers, how you can custom brand product, adding products, all of that good stuff we're going to get to in the third video. So make sure to watch these 3 videos, and without saying any more, let's get into the first one. So your store and your platform, when you log in, you're gonna be able to see it like this. It's gonna have your store. You can do a lot of different things to your website. You can rename it, view live site, get feedback, all kinds of great things here. On your left-hand menu, it's all very self-explanatory. All the products on your store, you're going to be able to click this and you'll see the products. When you get orders, you're going to see them all coming here. Customer management, this is like customer support. So when someone sends you an email, you'll see it here. You'll see contact list of all your customers, form submissions. This is when like someone submits a contact us form or a refund form or something like that. You're going to see it all show up here. Automations, workflows, these are all really cool things we're going to get into a little bit later when we start marketing, and building an automated sales funnel, basically turning this into a money-making machine where we just go hands off and it runs itself. So all of these tools are going to come in handy, and that's one of the reasons we're using this platform, is because it has the capacity to be able to do that on a very high volume. That's what we want to be able to do. Finances, analytics, like you can get into like really detailed stuff about your traffic, your sales, where people are coming from, so like what states, what countries, all that stuff. It gets really detailed. A lot of great tools here, but in this video I'm just going to stick to the store editor. So you're going to see your store here. You're going to have a store name, and this is the temporary domain. You're going to be able to link your own, so don't worry about that. We're going to talk about that in the next video. But to go ahead and edit the website, all you got to do is click edit site, and you're going to be able to see this little loading screen, and then your website is going to show up. All right, on your site editor, you're going to see, so our fake website right now is the art store. It's very creative. You're going to see the name here. You're going to see this like logo, home, shop. This is the menu. This is a login bar, so people can actually log in and check their orders on your website. This is their cart, so as people add things to cart, they'll be able to check this out here. Header menu, we can scroll down. All of this is already done for you guys, by the way. So when you get your website, all the products are going to be set up, all the buttons are going to be working, everything is linked, everything is done for you. So you don't need to change things. But right now, just to show you guys, because in the future, you're definitely going to want to change your logos. And that's something we're going to talk about. So right now, this logo is just a text logo. I can change this to anything I want. I can call it Artbox. There you go. So now the store is called Artbox. This container box, I can take it, and I can just move that around anywhere I want. So this platform allows you to be super creative, and it gives you tons of tools. Like it's not template based. The reason we build client stores on this platform more recently is because our clients are seeing way more sales coming in on this platform. So we definitely want to push it out to our clients as well. One of the reasons is it gives you so much creativity in making websites that are like absolutely custom and beautiful. Now if we want to check out other pages, let's go to the shop page. So I just clicked on pages here, and you can go to any of the pages you want. So this is the shop page. Look at how nice that looks. You got the filters on the side, you got price filter, the shop menu, and then all the products right here straight down the line. We can go back to pages, and we can go to, so we're in the store pages right now. So just to show you guys the product page, this is what the product page is going to look like. Just like that. So product, buy now, add to cart, product info, return and refund policies, and you can add different policies. You can add description here as well. People also bought, so we're trying to cross sell, right? So if someone adds this to cart, they scroll down a little, they'll be able to add other things also. And then the footer menu, this footer is going to stay the same. So you'll see everything under the footer design. So this orange line divides the page and the footer. Everything under the footer is the same on every page. So this is going to stay the same. The header is going to stay the same. So if I just click there, everything above this orange line is the header, and that's going to stay the same on every page. Only the page content is going to change, and that's what gives you all this customizability. So just to continue showing you guys, what I'll say is make sure to discover this platform on yourself as well. Explore it, go on different pages, check things out. And so this is the cart page. Obviously, we didn't have anything added to cart, so it's empty. But these are the main pages. The main pages are the ones that are going to show up in your menu. Shipping and returns, store policies. So I can go to shipping and returns. Why not? And look, it's those. So what they did was they added a line. So what this is, if you go to add, you can add all kinds of things. If I want to add some big text somewhere, you just literally drag it and drop it. There you go. I can move it anywhere on the website I want, and then I can edit it. You click delete, it's gone. So all the texts, paragraphs, so it's not just text, obviously. You can add images. There's free images, there's all kinds of things preloaded. You can add different kinds of buttons, and you can link these buttons to other pages on your website or even off your website. So for example, if you have a charity that you're supporting and you want to be able to give people a way to go directly to that charity and donate, you can make a button. You can change the text. So I can say support New York. And then I can add a link, and I can link it. So right now I can link it to any page on my website, but I can also link it to some other web address and just put in the charity's web address. And whenever someone clicks that button, it's going to be taken to that web address. If I link it to a page on my website, I can do that here. I can link it to anchors. I can link it to a document. So I can actually download a document, upload it to this button, and whenever someone clicks this, they're going to be able to download the document. I can email. So customers are able to email directly to whatever email I've set up. So lots of customizability. What that means for you right now isn't too much. Like you can custom, because the store's already done for you. You don't need to customize much right now. But what this means is, in terms of scaling your business, if you want to keep it as a passive side income, great. You can run your store and automate it 100%. It runs for you. It's generating sales. All good. But if you want to scale your business, if you want to start hitting 20K, 30K, over that, you need to add more. You're going to have to customize your store. Winter comes along. You need to change up your theme. Maybe blue and white and some lighter colors in winter. Summer comes along, more brighter themes. So it's, you just get back in, change colors around. Like I can click this header. I can change strip background, and I can change it to an image, a video. I can change it to any color I want, just like that, and it's that easy. So having that customizability allows your store to really expand. You can make it super engaging, so when people actually enjoy spending their time on your website, there's content, there's easy ways to shop, there's a lot of nice pictures, a lot of visuals, and this platform is absolutely great for that. So kind of going back to the ad, we can add buttons, we can add different galleries. So we can add like mosaics, we can add like beautiful looking galleries, we can add decorative features. So this line right here is just this one. So they literally dragged this, dropped it here, dragged this, dropped it here, and made sure that the text was centered. It's super easy to do that as well. There, you'll see it when that line shows up, that means it's centered. It makes it very easy to make sure everything is in line, straight, and look good. Kind of going back to the ad, you can add interactive like slideshows. These are all slideshows, like even a testimonial slideshow. How cool is that? Moving down, these are box slideshows. So these are smaller slideshows that are going to show up on your website. All kinds of really cool things here. These are pop-ups, so you can have someone subscribe. Boxes, you can do all kinds of things with boxes. Obviously, you can just you let your creativity run wild. Other strips, so everything generally is built on a strip, an about us strip, or add your title. Just like, again, check it out. Click on one of these and you'll be able to see exactly what it looks like. So I just clicked on that. That's what it looks like on my website. It moves the header down. It always adds at the bottom of the page, and I can obviously change this, change that, change that, change the column background. Everything is customizable. I just deleted that. I'm going to delete this. There we go. Super easy to do, and it's pretty awesome. Lists and grid, videos and music or ads. You can add YouTube videos, video uploads. Like, you can really take it out of the park. Menus, you can add different kinds of social media icons. You can literally add your Facebook page to the website. So just to show you guys what that looks like, it's literally going to show your Facebook page on this site, so that when you upload things on your Facebook page, they're going to show up on your website. So it's all connected, and that's a really cool way of doing things. But it's not just Facebook. You can connect your Twitter as well. Pinterest, you can add your Pinterest account here. Tons of platforms. You have a contact form, so literally you don't need a store email. You can just add a contact form like this one. And what happens is whenever someone enters their email here, you're going to get a notification on your Wix backend, but also on your email. So, and when you reply, that customer never sees your like personal email. They're going to see your store's email, whatever that might be. So, it has your privacy in there as well. You can do custom coding. Why not? If you're a coder and you want to embed some other websites or some features from other sites, you can do that. Content manager, as you add things like photos, images, things like that, they're going to show up here. Blogging, I highly recommend. You're not going to see a difference in your first 2 or 3 months, but 4 or 5 months down the line, blogging is going to skyrocket your business. You're going to thank yourself for starting a blog and actually putting out valuable content. And it's like immensely easy to build this. All you got to do, like I showed you, add a blog, and it's going to add it for you. So when the blog is added, you can change the design. You can manage your posts. If I click manage post, it's going to show me all the posts I've written, and then you can go in and edit them. You can delete the ones that are here because you don't need them, or you can use them as templates and fill them in with your own content if you wanted to blog. It's not a requirement, but again, it's 4 or 5 months down the line, you are going to see results coming in from your blogs, as long as you're pushing out valuable content. Now, as you can see, the horizontal menu, there's only 3 options here. Now this is important, so please pay attention here. If I want to add more things to this menu, I just got to go to manage menu. Right now there's the home page, there's shop, which is going to be dropped down to professional art, kids art, and there's contact right here. If I want to add more pages, I need to click show pages, and if I want the blog to be up here, I need to check in blog and I need to apply, and there you go, blog is there. Because this is lowercase, if I want to change that, rename page, and then I can just do blog uppercase. Again, pretty easy, pretty simple, and pretty quick. I can add the frequently asked questions page, apply, and there we go. So that's how you can change and add things to your menu. Like I can move my menu anywhere. So even if I want my menu on the pages, I can do that. But again, making sure that it's in the header is going to mean that it's shown on every single page. And going back to the menus, main page, like these are all the pages that you have. The other thing you can do, we're going to get into this when we start marketing, you can hide pages, so it doesn't show up on the menu. We can do that through here as well. Like we can just uncheck. So if there's a page you don't want, click manage menu, or show pages, and then I can uncheck. And what that's going to do is, and if I apply, well, home page is gone. So again, pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Add that on. And to change the order, it's again drag and drop. Just do it like that, and the home page is up front. Super easy to do. All these buttons are super easy to link. If you ever want to relink them, again, you can link them to different pages, or you can link them to a different web address. Now, if you want to link a button to a specific product, you're going to need to type in your .com address, go open that product, and then just put in your website, your product page here. And so it'll be taken, the customer will be taken directly to the Buy It Now page if you wanted to do that. But again, it's very simple to do. Now, in this video, if you've been paying attention, these last 3 things are going to be the most important. The first one is preview. Once you're done editing your website, you want to take a look at it. Once you click preview, you'll be able to see and check out your entire site. When we publish, all the advertising is going to get out of the way, so you'll be able to get a full picture of your website. The other thing that you need to also take a look at is your logo. we've, you know, set up your business with a placeholder name. We've set up your business with a sample logo, but you can get custom logos done for you by your supplier, and they'll do it for free. So they won't charge you, and they can do custom logos. If you wanted to use those logos to do custom branded packaging, you would be approved for that instantly. So if you want your supplier to do logos for you, you can, you know, have them do it, and then you can add it right here. And so the logo would be a custom logo added here. The other thing that I wanted to mention, and by the way, like if you get an image file from your supplier, again, just go to image, upload the image, and you can drag and drop the image wherever you want. You can resize the image. This is a text logo, and this is vector art. So these are all art pieces that are coming directly from Wix. Now the other thing is your mobile view. Now again, we've already done this for you. So we've already optimized this website. We've made it perfect for mobile, for desktop. So all of those features are already there for you. But if you wanted to edit your mobile site, like see, there's like a little space here. I don't like that too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and there you go. Oh, it's because the header's too big. Okay, I'm gonna make the header smaller then. There we go, beautiful. Too much. Perfect. There we go. And so, you know, it's super easy to actually edit on mobile as well. Cart page, I don't like the cart icon on mobile, so I'm just gonna delete that. It makes it too stuffy. So now we have the menu. The menu is gonna open up itself. And we have the logo. We have the announcement bar here. We can change the text size because that's kind of too big of an announcement bar. There we go. Now it's perfect. And again, it's so easy to edit. You don't need to do any of the editing right now because, again, we've done it for you. But it's important when you want to scale. And that's what we're going to keep in mind, right? We want to get started. We want to get your first few sales as soon as possible. But we also want to keep scaling in mind. We want to grow past, you know, just 1 or 2K per month. We want to get into much bigger numbers, much better numbers. And so if we want to be able to hit those, your platform, the foundation your business is built on, needs to be able to handle that scalability. And this one 100% can. You'll find out even more so when we get to marketing, because it has all the marketing tools. Every single marketing tool you need to build your business is built into the platform. So no third-party apps, no MailChimp or ClickFunnels, nothing like that. Everything is right here. But with that being said, guys, that's going to end the first video. So you're going to get your store. Just take a look around, explore the platform, check things out, click around, just get comfortable with your platform. In the next video, we're going to talk about publishing. So we're actually going to go live. We're going to take your website, set up a domain, set up payment processors, and get you moving forward so that people can actually shop and pay you on your website. And then the final video, we're going to talk about suppliers. I'll see you guys in the second video.